GI Tech Fanglaba Kachai Lemon Amadi Tamenglong Orange JGI Preservation Conservation Amadi Processing Taunabagidamak Fruit Preservation Factory in Nilakuti, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Manipur Amadi ICR Central Citrus Research Institution Nagpur gi marakta Memorandum of Technology License Agreement ama khutiek pinakre Technology License Agreement ke khutiek asi Sanjen Thongda laiba Agriculture Department ke Farmers Training Hall da Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ke Commissioner Taitulung Pamaina gi mamangda Department asige Director ke Devadatta Sarma amadi ICR Central Citrus Research Institution Nagpur gi Director Dr. Dilip Ghosh na khutiek pinakhe Thauram aduga mari lainana Dr. Dilip na khutiek pinariba asigi matungina ICR CCRI Nagpur na Kachai lemon amadi Tamenglong Orange tagi energy drink semba amade gummy fruit semba gi technology piragani Kachai lemon amadi Tamenglong Orange ase yamna fai adubu improve taunaba lam kaya lairi haike ICR CCRI Nagpur da Haribob tagi thau lauthokpagi thabaksu institution asigi principal scientist Dr. SS Roy gi makhada chada marifu hena Kumang Chausin Mangamle Haiba Wafam Director Asina Thamladuna Tabak Asima Pungfan Loisin Bagi Tajaba Lady Masigi Matung the Hariba Technology Ado Standardized Tauraba Matung da Haribob Ki Natural Flavor Ase Miamna Chahichupa Fangbangam Lagane Lamda Masida Citrus Fruit Makal Kaya Later Basu Ayamba Saruk Mang Bagi Wafam Lady Fresh Oina Chaba Mahi Semba Kaktanatana Lamda masida fangliba uhay wahay sing asi makudagi lauraga maru fauba lem na manghandana product kaya semba yari haiki thauramadu ICR Manipur Center ge Head Dr. C Vasuda ICR CCRI Nagpur gi Principal Scientist Dr. Suvra Saikat Roy Senior Scientist Dr. Naresh Meshram Nabat ki Official yauna Miyoy kaya na sarukya ke thauramadu ga mari lainana lamda masida leiba uhay wahay thaba STSC Farmer Nifu Singi Scientist Singasu Interaction taunake
Citrus mycoptera, which is locally called as haribo, and people of Manipur, as I understand, they love the flavor and they add in curry preparation of this. But incidentally, this is available in only a few months in a year. The rest of the year you use probably the dry pulp for adding in the curry, which most of the cases the natural aroma is lost. But let me share you with the good news that in our institute, our team, Dr. Roy, he is doing good work on that. Almost 80% work on isolation of essence, which is responsible oil, which is responsible for his essence flavor, that has been completed. I am very sure that in near future, once the technology is standardized and validated, the same technology can be transferred to you in future, where you need not add to dry pulp, dye pills. You will be getting natural flavor year round in your curry.
Thauramadu Mari Lainana Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ki Director K. Devadatta Sarmana State Asida Fangba Uhay Wahay Amadi Manamasing Asi Post Harvest Matam da Chada Nifu Hena Mangli ba Asi Kana Bakari Upay Taubayay Haina Lepa Laitana Department Asina Honarakli ba Asi Sarukama Oina Kotiek Pinabade Department Asina Lamdamasta Fangliba Horticulture Crops Singi area Changtok na ba amadi pothok puthok pa hengat na ba kan na hotnari masigi manung channa laurok loiraba matung mangliba pothok asi manghanda na ba hotna ba changi haina achet pa thazaba thamle state asigi agriculture amadi horticulture sector asi fagalhan bada quality chain processing quality management branding amadi marketing yamna maru oiri haike horticulture and soil conservation gi commissioner kam secretary T Pamaina matam amada yamna marang kaina Puthok lamba Kachai lemon amadi Tamenglong Orange ngasidi hanthare ngasidi pinariba khutiek asina lamdam asigi laumi sing entrepreneur sing na thengnariba khudong chada bakhara da kokhanduna lamdam asigi laumi sing state amadi laibak asigi senmitlon fagadhan bada mateng pangba ngamlagani haike
Important point will be boosting the horticulture sector by adding value to acid lime cultivation. This initiative will benefit farmers, entrepreneurs, and the food processing industry, creating new livelihood opportunities. This agreement highlights on the importance of the collaboration between research institutions and industry stakeholders to drive innovation, sustainability, and economic progress.
Akoi khangrakpadi asi yam important oiba fruit ani se akoi di flesh khak saraga akoi rinse cover loi hundo eba adu moina hairi sidi kari su hundo ngai leite ba everything semba yaba khoi ki cosmetic tagi medicine tagi food supplement tagi food flavor tagi perfume ni loi chizna ba yaba fruit ani sineba kya mang kare koi hundor ga leiri se makudo aduna sumba training tawraga training da exposure chalaga akoi khangba yaba haiba yaba khangdo raga akoi state da su pangthoksi implement tawsi hai tu ai farmer myam da haijage department na always at your service